Hi, my name is Andre and I'm the owner of Roof Repair Specialist. This building is located right on Sunset Boulevard. Being in such an iconic street and such an iconic part of town, it's something that we're super proud of. However, it presented us with a unique set of challenges, being that there's so many pedestrians around and no real room to have a crane or to load and unload materials off the roof. We had to get the materials off with a trash chute, and we had to lift all the materials up by hand as the elevator is way too small to get anything up. The first step of the project was removing all the old roofing material. We had 2 to 4 layers depending on the area of the roof, so we had to tear all that off and get down to the wood deck. Once we got to the wood deck, we found a lot of damaged wood. We had to replace all that wood, then got started with the first layer of roofing. It provided insulation, it provides a fireproofing, a Class A fire rating, and most importantly, it gives us a smooth surface to build our roof on. Once we had our barrier board installed, we went on with the 5-foot rolls of TPO. This is 60 mil thick, 5-foot wide roll that was mechanically fastened at the edges and heat welded along the seams. All these brackets here present a unique challenge. It makes it very difficult to waterproof. So we had to come up and develop a special flashing method with our roofing manufacturer by installing an aluminum block in order to give us support and a backbone to be able to wrap our material, seal that up very nice and tight. I'm super happy with the way this job turned out. It's a white TPO roof that's going to reflect the sun very well, but more importantly, keep the building dry for years to come. Every roof is different and presents us with unique challenges. That's why we'll always make sure to pay special attention to all the details to ensure a smooth project from start to finish.